Hi, if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering what is the number one free keyword to researcher in 2021. So in this video, I will share with you what is the number one free keyword to research tool that I'm using personally in 2021. So let's go straight into it. So if you go to Google, you can see over here, it's Ubersuggest. Now why I'm using Ubersuggest is because not only it's free, but it's one of the best keyword free research tools that you can use, and I will show you how to use it in this video. So let's say that you are in the weight loss niche, for example, that you are promoting affiliate offer as an affiliate on ClickBank. Over here you can see, if you first of all go on Google and type in ubersuggest.com, you'll see from or neilpatel.com/ubersuggest, you will see there is the site over here, and then you can enter a domain or keyword in the search option. So you type in, for example, let's say weight loss, click search. Now you can choose different options here, you can see, but I always go with English United States. So I go over here and then click on search, and over here you'll see you can sign in, or you can even have different options to upgrade, but I go with the free because it works really well for me. So over here you see it's really generic, I can say not specific keyword, weight loss. Now search volume, over here you see how many people are actually looking for this on Google. For example, you can see 201,000 is the search volume. It's really high. SEO difficulty, it means how difficult is to rank on Google, is 76, and it's organic. SEO difficulty, it means it's organic. It's not a paid version, it's free. So it's like free SEO. And paid, of course, it tells you already it's paid traffic. It's running ads, 95. And cost per click, you can see it's really high. It's $7.30. So why it's high is because it's really non-specific, generic keyword. Now let's try something else. You can see if you scroll down here, you will see suggestions and related keywords. Now you have different keywords. You can see fast weight loss, volume 301,000, CPC $3. Then you have weight loss pills, weight loss surgery, best weight loss diet. And you can see I would suggest you to go for the keyword that is at least 500 to 10,000 searches per month. Now why that? Because there is not much competition and it's not sophisticated, and if you don't have enough money to spend on the ads, on cost per click, it can be really high. As you can see over here, cost per click, it's $8.8 US. So if you have 10 clicks and no sales, you spend $80 and wasted your money. And let's go over here and I will show another thing. It's if you have, for example, related, you can go to the related and you will see weight loss tip articles, weight loss Nutri-System 1, different keywords that you can use. And if you go over here to content ideas, this is really important. Now pay close attention, because if you are using or running any kind of Facebook ads, Google ads, whatever else you're doing, blogging, content ideas can give you the free insight into what you can use in your content. If you're a blogger, you can apply this in your blog for the content or articles. If you're running if you have landing pages, you can apply this in your landing pages. It's really great too. So look over here. If I was, let's say, if I were to go and look for content ideas, you see over here it's no shares. On Facebook and Pinterest, there is no share, there is no backlinks. So it's not really something that I would go and research or copy. So what I will do is go then to another option. Let's say we are in the keto diet. So you can do a research, for example, search volume, almost 1 million. So mean that it's really popular, and paid difficulty 64, SEO difficulty 88, cost per click $2. And if you scroll down, you can see you have different keywords, and here is the magic, my voice. You can see over here content ideas. Over here you can see Facebook and Pinterest. Now I won't go into backlinks at the moment. This is for another time, another video, but I will go into content ideas and social media. Now you see the first one here is page title URL, keto diet, food list, low carb, grocery shopping guide PDF. Now you can see over here backlinks 264 and Facebook shares 8,600. Now you go over here to Pinterest, 402,000 shares. Now you see this is something really popular, so you can click on that and check it out. You can copy the content or you can use it as the ideas for your headlines, your articles, your blog posts, whatever you are using, and apply it in your own posts. Another thing over here is to see popularity. What is popular? You see ketogenic diet plan for weight loss, 7-day keto meal plan, and over here you see 304. It's really low on Facebook, but on Pinterest it's really high. It's 173,000. So you could go here and view many, like you can click view all content ideas and you will see many different content ideas over here. Now you can copy it if you want. You can just scroll down and you see what is really popular, and you can apply that in your social media posts or in your blogs or whatever you're using, articles, or even landing pages. For example, this is really popular one because on Facebook it has 337,000 views or shares. Now you can see over here, if you go to the headline is that loses 92 pounds in just 150 days with the keto diet. Now you can click on that. If you click on that, you would see this is the article, and you can see what is popular, what people are watching, and what they are reading, what is the point of interest. So you can apply that for yourself. Now, whatever niche you are in, let's say that you are in dating and relationship niche, you can type in, for example, why men pull away. Let's say why men pull away. If you are in the woman relationship niche, and you can do search. Now, United States, for example, this is country and language, and you can see over here what is popular. Number 1, content ideas, why men pull away and how to keep him interested. Another thing is, like, for example, this is why men start to pull away when you want them, or 10 reasons why men pull away. And then you can see what is the most popular idea for your content. And then you have, for example, keyword lists. You have keyword analyzer. You can register for free here. Keywords overview, like I said, search volume, SEO difficulty is ranking free on Google. Paid difficulty, you can see here it's 12 minutes, really easy. So cost per click is really low, $0.4. So if you would like to have more information and know how to apply this with Facebook ads or Google ads or YouTube ads, you can get in touch with me here on my Instagram. I will have links below this video, so you can contact me on WhatsApp, by email, by Facebook, or by Instagram. You can just follow me here or message me directly. That's entirely up to you, and then you can connect, and if you have any questions, you can just let me know. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video, so in the next video I will share more about how to apply this with affiliate marketing. So thank you for watching.